Alright, so one of the questions that I received recently was how do I get Excel into AutoCAD and or Excel into Revit? Well, one of the things that we can do is utilize all the tools that come with the products. There are other applications that will get you Excel into the other applications, but it's truly not necessary. It may be more efficient in some ways, but it does cost money, and there's the whole hassle of having to go through asking and getting it approved and getting it installed and everything like that. But if you're ever stuck and you actually need to have it just done and get it done right now, there's a solution. So we got Excel here, and I just created a couple cells with some data. You can see here. So we're going to get this data into AutoCAD with a live link, and then we're going to also, when we're all done, we're going to show you how to bring it into Revit as well. So in order to get this data into here, one of the things that you can do right out of the gates that has gotten a lot better over the years is I can highlight the information, Control-C or copy it. Do that on screen so you can see me copy. And I can go in here and I can right click, or I can go, here, let's maximize this. And then let's go to paste. And I can paste special. And I can paste Microsoft Excel worksheet. And voila. And this is pretty good. It works rather well. It reads all the information, comes across really clean. It's an OLE, but as an OLE, it does have the possibility of corrupting the AutoCAD file and not printing properly. There's some different issues with frames and stuff of that nature. So while this does work, and it works most of the time, it can have issues. So because it can have those issues, it would not be my preferred choice. So I'm going to select it. Well, actually, you know what? I'll do that. Let's leave it right there. So what I want to do is I want to type in the word table at the command line. T-A-B-L-E. You can see it right there. I'm going to do table. And what we want to do is right here. Select start point from entry table. If you got the previous ones, that's okay. But what we really want to do is from a data link. We're going to select that. And there's two ways to do this. There's the button right here. It'll take you directly there. Launch the data link manager dialog. Or if you come here, you'll see the same thing. So we're going to do that, and we're going to create a new one. Ignore this. That's me testing in the past. So we're going to create a brand new one. And we're going to call it Excel to AutoCAD. Just take that space out of there. Hit OK. And you're going to see it actually opened it up there for a second. And we're going to browse for the file. In this case, you're going to go to the job. I have a test file that I created that's on my desktop. Book 1 test. I'm going to hit open. It's going to go through a series of things. It'll give you a preview here. You can link the entire sheet. I'm not wanting to do that. Most of the time you guys are going to have a certain set of cells that you're going to want to bring across, and you can see the example here. So I know that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, A, B, C, D, E. So E10 would be there. So we're going to go from A1 to E10. A1, semicolon, E10. Well, let's do uppercase. I'm not sure that it's case sensitive, but just in case. Alright. Do a preview. Let's pull down the information. And it still looks proper, so that's perfect. So I'm going to hit OK. It's created the data link right there. And we're going to hit OK. Now that the data link is established to that file, I'm going to hit OK, executing the table function, and I can go through and do all the stuff and set the table up, but I'm just going to use the default out of the box. And you can see there's the information right there. And this is native AutoCAD format, so all that's coming across is the data. And this way nothing's going to be corrupt and it's all usable. So that's what I would recommend. So essentially, that's it. You're done. We'll save the file. Do it twice there just to make sure. Now that this is all done, you've essentially completed that task. But what we want to do is we want to test it. So one of the things I want to do is I want to come back into here and let's change 100 or 1 to 100. Let's change 2 to 200. And you're watching it down here. 200. Then I'm going to hit save on that file. I'm going to come back into my file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the table, data links, right down here. And if you miss that, if you select the table, top left hand corner, you can see, select that, right click on it, data link. Download changes from source file. It's going to run through. There's the update. Again, just going to hit save, and voila, we have a live link. The next step is to possibly, if you're interested, is to execute getting this into Revit. There are automated programs, again, that'll do exactly this, that are pretty slick. But in the interim, if you need to just get it done, one of the things that we can do, remember, ignoring this, we're going to bring it anyways, is we can bring this into here. So what I want to do now is I'm going to open up Revit, and I'm in a drafting view at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to say Import CAD, or Link CAD, and you want to link like an X reference so that the data will constantly be updating. And again, it's on my desktop for this test case, and there's the Excel file that we created. You can see both of them there, and I'm just going to drop that bad boy in, and this would have been the OLE table, and I'm right click zoom to fit, and you'll see there's my table, and that has the newest updates. So what I want to do is I'm going to minimize again, and we're going to watch these two parts of the table so we can see it flow all the way downhill. Let's go back over to here, and let's change this to A, B, and let's hit save. Then we're going to come into here, we're going to select the file, go to data links, upload the source file. It's going to go through, do its magic. You can see A and B there. I will hit save. I'll come down here to Revit, and then I will go to maximize, manage, links. Put this back on my other screen. CAD formats, select the file, and you can watch right here. Reload. And voila, A and B, and you have a live link. And again, save your file. Thank you for watching. If I can help in any way, make sure to give me a call. My extension is 2463. My email is darickb@c-b.com, DARICKB@c-b.com. Have a good one.